Hello guys, and welcome to another day with Zimaleta. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a coffee grinder. Hey guys, here's a coffee funnel. If you're basically using your grinder for your espresso, all you have to do is attach this bracket right here, which it simply inserts, and then you're going to have an area to support your funnel right there. So what we're going to be using is we're going to be using this for grinding our coffee. I have some donut shop beans here. Here's the scoops. They're actually located right in here. The coffee grinder has many different settings here. Once you turn it on, it does display 30 seconds right here.
We have 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 40 seconds, and 50 seconds. But we're going to be using 30 seconds for our grinds. So we just grinded up some coffee, and take a look at how much coffee grinds we get with 30 seconds. Let's see if it's enough for our espresso funnel. Wow, 30 seconds is just enough for my espresso maker. And now I'm going to show you how to make a latte the easy way using a milk frothful. It's your favorite latte mug. This is mine. Pour your espresso in, and now let's go ahead and actually pour the milk froth. This is my favorite way to make a latte, just using milk froth and my espresso. It comes out perfect every time. Wow, will you look at that? The taste just as good.